what's going to happen is I think we're in a full bull cycle. And Bitcoin going up to 31,000 like it did over the weekend and earlier today is what they call a bear trap, meaning it looks like it's going up and then boom. And that's what happened. It went to 31,000. Here we go. Maybe 32, 35, maybe 40, bam, back down to 29,000. And I think it's going to be doing this for a while because as I've done some videos on this, the big money, the institutional money, the ruling class, whoever you want to call them, however you want to refer to them, whatever group this is, or groups, just the big money people, and they can be any number of people, but the big money people, institutional money, whatever, they've liquidated a lot because they're holding on to their cash because they know a massive recession is coming. We're already in a recession. The money printing of the last 2 years is finally kind of coming back, and the inflation is here. They say it's at 8, 10%, 12%. It's 20 to 25%. You and I see it. So they pulled their money out, and they're going to keep pulling the money out because they want the price to go even lower. But also June 15th, the Fed's going to announce another rate hike. That's coming. And when that happens, then Bitcoin will go back down again. Bitcoin might go below 25 grand. It might go below 20. So it doesn't mean buying now is a mistake. If you're in it for the long haul, whether you buy Bitcoin at 30,000 or 22,000, when it goes up to 100, 200,000, which it will in the next 5 years, as adoption keeps growing, then you're not going to care like if you bought it at 30 or you bought it at 22. If you're kind of waiting for the right moment, you might want to wait a little bit. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion here. It's really, it's going to be a little bit of a bear cycle for the summer, I think, before it comes back up. And when a bigger recession hits, I think this interest rate thing might ease inflation a little bit, but they're hiking the interest rates June 15th, which is in less than 10 days. Today's the 6th. So in 9 days, June 15th is what, a Wednesday? Today. Yeah, so a week from Wednesday, June 15th, the Fed's going to announce a rate hike, and that's going to affect the markets. And there's a good chance the stock market and Bitcoin will go back down. So, but I think if you buy Bitcoin anywhere under 30,000, you're going to make big profits down the road. If you're looking to be speculative, like you want to buy and sell in a short amount of time, then you might want to definitely wait till the price goes down a little bit. But if you're just going to buy and hold, which is what I'm doing, buy a little. I always buy the dips a little bit, or just do dollar cost averaging and forget about it and slowly stockpile Bitcoin. And then there's other free ways to get Bitcoin, which is you go to Coin, like if you sign up for Coinbase, and Kate can put these in the chat. I have affiliate codes at Coinbase, BlockFi, and crypto.com, meaning if you sign up, like at Coinbase, it's $10. You get $10, I get $10. And I think BlockFi and crypto.com, it's $25 each. But Coinbase, for example, which you got to be a little leery of Coinbase. They're definitely, in league with the central banks, and they can do stuff that's a little PayPal-y. However, one thing to consider is they have all these free tutorials. Like watch this video about this altcoin and you'll earn $3 or $4, and you can make like 50, 60 bucks, maybe more. It might be $70. And one thing you can do is make that and then convert it to Bitcoin. And that's free Bitcoin just for watching videos and answering questions. You watch a video and you take a brief quiz, and then they put it into your account immediately, and you can convert it to Bitcoin. So that's a free way to get Bitcoin. Something to think about. Coinbase can and will take your coins if they go bankrupt. They disclosed as much in a recent legal document. Yeah, that's another reason too. And for those of you watching this who are new to crypto, so you got to get on an exchange to buy and sell crypto, but I would keep the bulk of it on a cold wallet. And Ledger makes a cold wallet. Trezor makes a cold wallet. You can go to shows like Crypto Casey, The Moon, Bitcoin.com's YouTube. They all have, those are all YouTube, crypto YouTube channels that tell you how to use a cold wallet and what they're for. And basically, a cold wallet is like a safe. An exchange is like a bank where they could just freeze your assets. And if you don't own the keys, which is the word codes for then you don't own the crypto. That's why if you have it on a cold wallet, you flat out own it. And so with a big recession coming, there's a good chance there could be a run on the banks, which means, let's say you have $5,000 in the bank and you're like, uh-oh, I want to pull that. Well, run on the banks is everyone goes, oh shit, I want to get my cash out of there. And they don't have it because they've loaned your $5,000 out. They probably loaned it out $100,000 worth of money based on against your $5,000. So they don't have it. So when that happens, they'll go, oh, we can only give you $500. This has happened in Greece. This has happened in a bunch of countries. This has happened in Argentina. I mean, like, this is just get ready. So I've been telling people for several years now to move your money into a credit union, get it out of the big banks. And the minute you hear on the mainstream media, when there's like a financial, oh, it's starting to get crazy, and you see somebody go, your money's safe. The minute you hear that, get it out of there. That's when it's not. That's when it's not. And so some of the crypto exchanges could seize your money, could seize your crypto. So that's why you want to have a cold wallet. And you want to be on several exchanges. If one exchange goes down, you want to be able to move your crypto over to buy and sell it. Let's say you need to liquidate some stuff. So that's why I'm on 3 or 4 exchanges.